The Poco X6 Pro has arrived, and it's making waves. With its stunning design and cutting-edge technology, this phone is definitely a game changer. Let's dive into what makes the Poco X6 Pro stand out from the crowd. First up, the display. Poco has always been known for their vibrant screens, and the Poco X6 Pro takes it to the next level with a 6.67-inch AMOLED display. The colors pop, the blacks are deep, and the refresh rate of 120 Hz ensures buttery-smooth scrolling and gaming. Whether you're streaming your favorite show or playing the latest mobile game, you're in for a treat. Now, let's talk about performance. With the latest Snapdragon processor and ample 12 GB RAM, multitasking feels effortless. Switching between apps is seamless, and demanding games run like a charm. Plus, the 5G capability means super fast downloads and streaming on the go. Camera enthusiasts will be thrilled too. The Poco X6 Pro features a triple lens setup, including a 64-megapixel main sensor. The low-light performance is exceptional, making those nighttime shots surprisingly clear. Plus, the new AI features help enhance your photography skills, ensuring you capture the perfect moment every time. Battery life? No worries here. With a robust 5,000 mAh battery that lasts all day and supports fast charging, you'll spend less time tethered to a wall and more time enjoying your phone. In conclusion, the Poco X6 Pro is a powerhouse packed with features. From its gorgeous display to its impressive performance and camera capabilities, it's a phone that truly delivers on all fronts. If you're in the market for a flagship smartphone, make sure to put the Poco X6 Pro at the top of your list.